Beach County, the Treasure Coast under hurricane warning. I have Chief Meteorologist Steve Weigel. A new track just came in a few moments ago, and you said we really have to pay attention to this.
Yeah, because the track has shifted south again. We're almost the only area in the error cone at this point. Earlier today, around 4 a.m. with the update, it was more up around Melbourne and Daytona, and stayed there most of the day. Well, it shifted down to the south, and now it's the down the line tracks more Treasure Coast, but the entire area, our area, is in that error cone, and the models are not in great agreement on where it's headed. So there's still a lot of uncertainty as far as where this might make landfall, but almost all of East Coast Florida will feel the effects from this. It's getting better organized. The wind's now at 65 miles an hour. There's still a lot of dry air near the center of this. You can see the bright reds and the yellows. That's the convection. That's a deep moisture that fuels this hurricane that's evaporating off the warm ocean waters. But all this blue and that's sunshine there, and that's all getting wrapped around the center. Now, in the short term, it will struggle to intensify, but once that starts to depart from near the center of this, it will start to fire up once again, and we are expecting a Category 1 hurricane, now a little earlier too. That's important. I'll show you that in a second. So the outer bands are working into the Bahamas. We'll really start to feel, it's breezy out there. There are off and on showers, some gusty winds, but we're really going to start to feel the effects tomorrow, starting in the morning and continuing to strengthen during the day. So here's the latest track. This came in at 4 p.m. Of course, with the time change, they're an hour earlier. So Category 1 hurricane now in Abaca, around Hopetown, rather than the Category 1 just before landfall. 75-mile-an-hour winds, and then still one at landfall, so that's 1 a.m. on Thursday. We've been pretty consistent around midnight or shortly after with a landfall spot, but this track was quite a bit farther north, maybe roughly 40 miles north all day long. Now it's south, and that brings us into some of the stronger winds, especially with a tropical system. And then it moves across Florida and toward Tampa and then races up the East Coast after that. Here's a close look at it. This is important. Thursday, 1 a.m., so midnight tomorrow night, early Thursday morning, Category 1 hurricane making landfall either in our area or very, very close. It's important because I know a lot of people are going, you know what, I'm done with hurricane season. You're not. It's coming. It's right there. And it moves across the state and moves up just north of Tampa after that on Thursday afternoon. The model tracks, they're not in good agreement. There's a big spread here in the model tracks and even the intensity as it moves through. A hurricane warning along the East Coast, Palm Beach County, Treasure Coast, up around the Space Coast, tropical storm warnings for the inland areas, and a storm surge warning. So we almost have a 100% chance of seeing tropical storm force winds on the Treasure Coast and about 3 and 4 chance in Palm Beach County. The hurricane numbers are quite a bit less. This is good, and hopefully they stay low, but we're going to watch these numbers closely. So there is a chance of getting 74-mile-an-hour winds or stronger here, but it's still a low chance. So we'll watch these numbers very closely. I want to turn it over to James Whelan. So he's going to talk about, you're going to talk about the kind of the local impacts here as we get closer. And we're pretty close now, James, aren't we?
Yeah, there's rain just lingering just offshore at the moment. That's just going to keep pushing on in. So let's go. This is our in-house Vipercast model here. This is just one of many, many models. And I'll show you as we go through time here what this one is saying. First, just seeing through the night tonight, some spotty showers moving through. Some of these, though, going to have some gusty winds with them as they move on through. But this is the outer fringes here of a few squalls moving through. As we get into tomorrow morning, a few quick squalls moving through. Notice the wind direction northeast here, and as we get later in the day, that's when things really start to pick up. So this is around 2 p.m. and you see a pretty solid line moving through with some gusty winds, and again that northeast wind. I think our heaviest rainfall and the most rain we're going to get is going to be before the storm makes landfall, and then as it pushes away we'll start to dry on out. So here's the center of the storm just entering the screen here. You see the whole Treasure Coast lit up. Now these are going to be the outer bands or maybe midway bands moving through. So these will be very strong squalls that will move on through, dumping a lot of rain in a very short period of time. These are tropical downpours and gusty winds with that too. The wind will start to pick up. So this is 10 o'clock at night. And again, this is when we'll probably get the most rain, because as we get to Thursday morning, all of this pushing north, the rain ends quickly for Palm Beach County, still going a little bit for the Treasure Coast and Okeechobee County, but the bulk of the rain is going to come before the landfall, and then you see we start to clear out by Friday, and things look a lot better after that. So the numbers here as we have it, we've adjusted it a little bit, 50 to 70 mile per hour winds, depending on where you're at and where the storm makes landfall. We haven't really pinned down that exactly quite yet. Rainfall 3 to 7 inches. I think the farther north you head, the more rain you're going to get. The farther south, a little bit less. Seas already about 18 feet. They're going to go up to 20 to 25 feet. That's going to cause massive beach erosion up and down the coastline and probably breach some dunes in some spots too. So being on some of the barrier islands, not a good place, and a storm surge there of 2 to 5 feet. Plus, on top of that, the full moon, astronomical high tides, and this will go through multiple high tide cycles. So along the coast, not a great place to be. Even if it's the intracoastal, that water's going to rise up too.